I'm Marie,
I'm Mike.
and we're here in Monmouth County in our beautiful home that Heleno and his team have cleaned, done, made beautiful. Mike?
Now it's been it's a journey to get your floors done, but Heleno and his team and Renova were very helpful for us. We have floors and a nice house, but he took his time with the team to make sure all the quality was good. So when he sanded, he made sure it was multiple directions, all the boards are even. When we hit any of the issues, he was always there to help us out. And it helped make our house look a lot bigger, a lot nicer now, because we've gone from a very dark stain to a lighter stain, and so that's a big decision for a homeowner. No matter what color you picked, you want to be happy at the end. So we're grateful for his good work.
They were very clean, very
clean,
organized,
yes.
And everything is spotless. I tried to clean the floor, but there isn't a piece of dust anywhere.
Good. We're very happy.
Thanks, Heleno.
Thanks, Heleno. Okay.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media for more content like this one.